About the flow, baby. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole.
All right. Let me open this up for you guys. I'm excited. Super dope. What? Look at that. Look at that wolf. That is super dope, guys. Oh, I'm gonna test these out right now. See what else comes in the box. We got a jack here. Manual. Some AAA batteries. Pretty dope. Can't wait to use them.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, pretty much with the ATN Excite LTV, I was improperly charging my LTV. And with that, guys, is a big problem when it comes to these night vision scopes. The battery is the lifeline, it's the heart. So, guys, my solution was to take my Jackery, which I can monitorize the wattage that's going through the system of the ATN. Alright, guys, we're going to be talking about the ATN X Sound. Super dope canceling headphones. They're Bluetooth, super dope. They have a knob here. One's for noise cancellation, another one is for your Bluetooth volume. Pretty dope, man. It's, these guys at ATN send this out to me, just just to say thank you. came home from work. I had a long day, and the box was just sitting there, and I was like, "What is this?" And look, it put a smile on my face. ATN X Sound, guys. Um, very high quality. I was expecting to, for the price to be over $300, and they're actually a buck 20, which is pretty sweet. Right up my alley. Um, I'm definitely looking to getting different products from ATN and reviewing a few guys. So I appreciate you guys listening and tuning in. Blood Ops, live free and survive, my friend.